Does that red thing mean it's recording? Yeah, it's recording. Okay. Okay, I think that, yeah. All right. I just lost that by a pathetic amount, which is annoying. So I'm going to put my glasses on, it might help. Right, let's try again. Oh, look, I can claim that. Bing! Blast bot. Okay, so let's try again. Looking for an opponent. Whatever that is. Wow. Gosh, they've changed the sound effects on this. Ping! It really sounds different. Ooh! Oh, and it went in anyway. It went in anyway. Oh, it's so annoying that it went in. I didn't know the little guy screamed. Weird noise he makes. It's like he's saying the word hat. That went in as well. No. I think it's the tower that screams. Send him out to deal with it. That sounds like an old man now. Don't take my glory, please. No, you're not having that happen. Right, fire that little bomb fly off. There's someone mowing the lawn, I think, outside. Who screamed then? Oh, well, I got rid of the burning guy. Oh, the quake's going on, the quake. Quake's happening. Ping! That's going in as well. Nice, thank you for that. Misfired that thing. Oh dear. Ping! What's that? That's a weird one. Oh dear, I've only got 43 seconds left. "43 seconds left to make a difference." It. Oh, that made it. They did that to themselves. Well, and then we send the bomb fly out again. Oh, he doesn't make the same buzzing noise. He screams now. 5 seconds left. One!
Sudden death! Excuse me, Mr. Smithers, can I have a loan, please?
What was that then? That's weird. Excuse me, Mr. Smithers, can I have a loan, please? That's a really weird sound effect. It's weird they've made the game almost silent apart from that. Oh, wow! I like the victory music. The victory music's amazing. Wow, I won that then. Against Kizgal Adam, whatever his name was. Kizgi Adam. Chisgi Adam, probably Kang space. Well, thank you. I'll beat you then. Well, that was a nice little Badlands video. Let me just get that. Tap away, come on. Where's the egg? Come on, where's it? There it is. Let's have the things out of the egg. There we go. Nice. Okay, well, that's my video. Thank you. Press the little red thing and stop.